How to add location on your profile on REDnote app. Launch REDnote application and make sure to log into your account. Proceed by tapping Me icon at bottom right. Now click on Profile button at top right corner of your screen. On your profile section, scroll down and navigate to Location. Tap to launch it. Here to add your location, tap on Choose Location button. And here you need to first allow access to your location. Tap on while using the application and go ahead and tap on Permissions. Scroll down and make sure that you allow all the app permission regarding your REDnote. Now come back and now choose any location. And with this you are good to go. You have successfully added location on REDnote application profile. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.